Good evening, friends. Today, my fourth exercise of the C# lab is a program on student information entry system by demonstrating the use of various string functions and regular expressions. So, in when I come to my program, this is the program what I did. Here, I have a class named student info system, and then I have a string builder, like a variable of data type string builder class, and then I have created an object, a data type of array with a size of 100, and then I just declare all my string variables what are necessary for my student information system, and then uh, and again a string builder class variable which is called WEL. So basically, why do we need a string builder class? It is imported from system.text.string builder class, so which is works in a more efficient way. It is used to consider a string using the string class. Just enough memory is allocated to hold the string. So basically, when we use a string class, the memory which is like the memory is allocated in such a way which is exactly enough for the string what we are giving to the particular program. So when we use a string builder, it allocates more memory, like it pre-allocates more memory more than what is actually needed, and after putting inside the data, then it adjusts the memory according to the given data, and it contains two properties which are called the length and the capacity. The length, it indicates the length of the string that is actually contained, and the capacity is indicates the whole capacity which is given to the entire particular class. Like suppose if we give 100 as an array size, and only 10 is used, 10 characters are used in that particular array, so this will be your length, and then the remaining 90 will be your capacity, like the 100 will be your capacity. This is the actual capacity, and 10 is the length which was used for the particular string. So now when my compilation starts in this main class, and in my main class I have created an object for my class of data type an array with a particular size of 100, and then I have a switch case where I can display details, like options of enter the details, edit the details, display the details, and then here when you enter your choice, you can just go inside the cases, and in case 1 you can add the details, in case 2 you can edit the details, in case 3 you can just display the details. So when we go to the add details, I'm just adding my particular student information details, maybe like first name, last name, student ID, father name, date of birth, age, sex, username, and you can create a username and a password particular for your particular student information system, so where your password should contain special characters such as these which are mentioned here. And if suppose it doesn't match, so regex is a function where you can like it's kind of regular expression where if you want to match numbers or variables, whatever the necessary thing may be, so it helps you to match and look whether your particular input is meeting your particular criteria which was given in your program. So as our criteria is like along with capital letters, small letters, and special characters, it should, the given password P1 which is stored in P1 should match with this particular criteria. So if my particular criteria is if it meets my particular criteria, my count will increase, and then as my count increases it goes inside, and it just asks you to retype the password. If not, you'll go back, you just start from the beginning, from like your name and father name and etc. So here after after that it will ask you an email ID, where again you're using a regular expression where it should have capital letters, small letters, or any other special characters, and also it needs to have a .com or .in. So this is my, and it should match to the particular email ID. If not, it will again start from the starting, and then again the count increases, and after suppose the count increases, again it goes inside the if loop, and it asks for your nationality, address, pin code, your school, in the sense your particular school, maybe mechanical school, computer science school, and your current semester which you are in, and your mobile number. This is another regular expression where it should matches only numbers. It should contain only numbers but not anything else. And then if not, it doesn't match it, it just again asks you with the particular valid mobile number, and again it starts with from the beginning. And then is there else conditions if your particular thing doesn't match your criteria. And then this is your edit details, which is called your case 2. So here it just displays all your details and asks in which field or which area or particular thing we want to edit, maybe your middle name, password, address, nationality, phone number, etc. And then it just goes inside the switch case and it does the replace function with the particular data you have given. And then it goes inside, like if you want to edit, like suppose you came out again, if you want to go back to the when, if you want to edit anything else, you can just give S, which takes back you to the method called edit details, or else you can just come out of the loop. And then my third option was my display function, where I just have the string functions like 2 upper and 2 lower, and then it just display the particular details of the your student. That's also when we just run the program. So when you run the program, it is asking which choice you want to just enter. So when I entered my details, my first name can be Alu, and my last name maybe some E, and my student ID is UR13 CSU11, and my father name can be, and I'll give my date of birth, and then my age. Age, and I'll give my username as Winnie, and my password should contain a special character. If not, it says please enter a correct password, and again it goes back to the starting, and again I need to enter my details. 13,011 sent 12,195 username. Now it asks for retyping your name. gmail.com. Indian, some address 12208, and my school is computer. My current semester is 7, and if suppose I didn't enter the particular number, it again comes from the beginning. So I need to have all the 10 numbers. So if I want to edit my details, my username is Winnie, and then my password is whatever. So it displays the entire details of mine, and it just asks which one I want to edit. So I just want to change my phone number to 92529. No. So I'll just display my details where it just showed, see, it replaced my old phone number what I gave is 9585 to the new one, and it just displaying the details. Thank you.